Getting your vehicle ready for pickup is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to stress-free shipping with USA Carship. First, clean your vehicle inside and out. A clean car makes it easier to spot any existing scratches or dents before shipping. Next, remove all personal belongings. Items left inside the car can shift during transport, so make sure your vehicle is empty for a safe journey. Then, check for leaks and ensure your car is in good working condition. If there are any mechanical issues, inform the carrier in advance. Also, keep your gas tank at about a quarter full. This reduces weight while still allowing the car to be driven on and off the carrier. Finally, secure or remove any loose accessories like antennas, spoilers, or roof racks. These can be damaged during transit, so it's best to take precautions. Once you've followed these steps, your vehicle will be ready for a smooth and hassle-free pickup. USA Carship makes shipping simple,